Hello everybody, this is a video on the Carpe Iter 4B tablet, and it's just a few suggestions because I've been using this tablet for over 40,000 kilometers all over Africa, then also in South America. And so normally you would use this 7 inches tablet with its own support, which has a double two connections for charging the tablet itself, one underneath and another one which is much safer than a USB, which is it's actually screwed in so water cannot get through, and it's a very safe way to charge the tablet. As a suggestion on this 450 Kove, I suggest to wire the tablet just before the USB socket, so the tablet will be charged only every time you switch on your motorbike. Then another thing I can suggest you is to make a sunshade for it. As you can see here, this cost about $10 on Amazon. I also mounted a hard plastic on top so it doesn't bend, and it will shade the tablet from the sun in 90% of the situations, so it's very useful. I take it off only if I ride extensively off-road, before standing, otherwise I keep it all the time. Another suggestion, as you can see here, I mounted it on a rally tower. In this case is the Type A rally tower by Wang. Cost about 150 US, and it's extremely strong, and you can mount also your indicators up here rather than down here, where it's much more likely that they may break if you fall. And for this tablet I mounted the controls, one on the left and one on the right. As you can see, if I push this button, which is the zoom out button, as you can see, and I can do the same, of course, in reverse to zoom in on this side, and I have the commands, one on the left and one on the right, so I can never need to take off my hands from the handlebar, even in hard off-road situations. I never need to swipe the screen with my finger, let's say. But in the near future, I will probably put the second command on this side and get rid of the OM switches altogether, and so to have the handlebar, to have more space on the handlebar. Yes, another thing you can do here on this rally tower, I actually here there was another piece of metal. I cut it off here, and this Carpe Iter 4B is 1000 nits, so it's very bright, and you can see more or less as bright as the UOM TFT screen. But I know that there is now a new model, the 4C, which is double the brightness, and hopefully I will have it soon, and test it out as well. And it's good because even the new model is exactly the same size, so you can use the same support, and so you don't need to change your configuration. And so I hope this little video suggestion video for the Carpe Iter 4B it's going to be useful to you. So all the best, and please subscribe to my channel.